Oh.
That's Papa!
Uy. Ikaw ba? What's this?
Eye.
Ay, well done this one.
Nice.
What's this?
Nice.
Nice. What is this?
Teeth.
Teeth. Well done. What is this?
Hair.
Hair. What is this?
Head.
Head. Yeah! Good job. Good morning, guys. Can you say good morning? Oh. Can you say good morning, guys? Say, look. They're looking at you. Look. Good morning, guys. Ay, sos. Bungol. Wa ka na dungog lang? Ha? We're making these pikelets, guys. Uy. Nabuang na dyan ganat. Look. Siya, titan. Tito, what you're having.
Not there, Mama.
Yes.
No.
Put it here. We'll heat it up.
Water.
Water. Ooh. Show me. Show here. Ling. Ling ling. Show.
No.
Miss now. Miss now. Thank you for helping. Thank you. Kape. Happy Sunday, guys. Say good morning, ate. She's brushing her teeth. Sama siya sa daddy niya. Pupunta sila ng cafe, guys. Bibili sila ng hot drinks nila. Yeah? May bisilin natin doon ay kumakain na kanyang pancake. Ito yung kape ni mami niya, guys. Aking 3-in-1. And, kanina, maaga gumising si Daddy Mike, guys. And, hindi ko i-open kay, ano na naman, tawag ito, usok-usok ba? May, banana cake. Ayan. Banana bread. He's baking one again this morning. And excited for that one. Kasi yung mga banana namin dyan ay na-overripe na. Yun yung sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Yan yung ginagawa ni Daddy Mike kapag na-overripe na yung kanyang mga banana. Lagay lang ako ng mask. Tagal ko lang hindi nakapag-mask ka. Hilamos ako tapos naglagay ng mask. And while I'm doing that, naghihintay ako na take off yung mask ko. I will plancha the damit of Celine kasi magre-ready kami. Si Daddy Mark tsaka si Ate Paris ay lumabas, diba? So, when they come home, we are going out. So, we might go to the Sunday market if kaya pa ng oras. So, it's currently 10:30 ng umaga. So, oh, hindi na sila. Hello? Mag-close yung Sunday market nila 2 o'clock. So, see. At yung gusto kong puntahan is yung hindi pa namin napuntahan, guys. So, there's one that's 20 minutes away from us. So, we'll see kung makayanin yung oras natin. What did you have, anak?
I had an ice chocolate.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't have a banana bread because I had it in my mouth.
Yeah, I know. Scoops.
Where's Celine?
Ito mga damit na susuotin ni Baby Celine. Mga damit to ng kanyang ate.
Ars?
Look. Look.
Yeah.
Oh.
La, laki-laki. What's it? The baker. Do you know the baker man? Oh. Tingnan niyo. Oh, crispy pa yan. Oh. Anyways, anuhin ko na to. Tapusin ko lang ang trabaho ko. Huh?
Do you want the burnt crisp side or the...
Yeah, I want that side.
Paris Hut. Paris did this as well.
Huh?
Paris Hut make it.
What is it?
Paris did it as well.
Well done, Paris. It looks great.
Mine. I'm coloring something.
I
What is it?
actually like this more when it's like rested for a while.
Yeah.
But-
I like it when it's like 2 days later. Lynn! I'll get her to eat that first before I'll change her clothes. I'll just change my clothes now.
Come here.
Ready? Look what Daddy's got. Come
Paris, knock off.
here.
Alright.
Look.
No.
Come. Go, sure. Come on. It's just bundagol.
Is that one for Leni?
Yes, please, Daddy. Say yes, please, Daddy.
Yeah. This one, Leni?
No, but Nanny. Papa, Nanny.
Lenny.
A few moments later.
Finally, guys, 11:48. Nandito na tayo sa sasakyan. It's very warm today. Oh my God. Sabi ko, Daddy Mike, shall I wear something na long sleeve? Kasi 21, but 21 na sunny. Kaya very warm siya, guys. Okay. Daddy Mike will come in. The address, Daddy?
Mine.
It's 102 McDonald Road. Honey, yes?
I made something that I can put on when I'm driving.
That's good, sweetheart.
I'm still making it.
Alrighty. Windsor. Have you been to Windsor before?
Continue for 800 meters.
We're going through the tunnel, honey. Oh, I don't like tunnels. Speed camera, 24 hours. Oh, a tunnel. Yeah, this one is the one.
Is there water under us?
We're in the water. That's why I don't like tunnels. I really hate it.
But I can see the bird.
Ewan ko lang kung natakot ako sa pagkain. But it makes me feel happy every time I see the
In 3
lights.
kilometers, take the
Because
exit
it
on the
means like
left.
the dogs, there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Parang mafe-feel mo talaga yung pressure. Do you feel the pressure, Daddy? Or maybe it's just me because I'm the one who's driving. Like with the car. You know, the car just lights. See, parang nasa aeroplano ka, guys. Yung tenga mo. So every time you go through this tunnel, magbabayad ka. And well, that's why they built this one. Sobrang mahal kaya pag-build ng tunnel, guys. So you have to pay for it. And obviously, cut the travel time. Kasi kung hindi ka gagamit ng tunnel, sobrang layo pa naman. This one, yeah, 5 minutes away. Parang you just cross the river. Tapos nandun na kami. Sobrang lapit na. We're actually very close to everything. Malapit kami sa city. 15 minutes, yeah, Daddy? We're just 15 minutes away from the city.
Yes.
12. Depends on the traffic, but yeah, 12 to 15 minutes. Oh, I can see the light now. Okay, so this one. Oh, that's better. Okay, oh, sobrang messy have to turn around. Walang U-turn dito guys. In the middle of the road. You have to wait for the next turn. So dapat alert ka.
It's not my work.
Oh yeah, I think actually, hang on.
Yeah, it's not my work because it's breakfast creek.
There you go. We're finally here. Maliit lang siya guys. Sobrang liit lang niya, but it's good. We'll go check out. Tingnan nyo, nakita ko kagad guys. I think Daddy's going to love this one. Look, yung mga pang basketball na t-shirt. Sabi ko na nga ba. That's nice. Ah, mga ano siya guys. Mga vintage na suotan. Ate! Super nice. Sobrang dami nilang options. Pistons, Lakers, Jazz, Blues, Orlando, Bulls, Chicago. The Chicago na Chicago Bulls. Sixers. Uy, taga-barangay size. Naalala ang mga kahapon. Ay, ang maegat. Nice. Yeah, it is. Put it down, please. Yeah, but that's big. Tingnan nyo. Yung sabi ko sa kanya, if we find earrings, we'll get her one. We can't wear this one to school, you silly girl. Big one. Mostly mga panglalaki man yung nandito guys na nakikita ko. So vintage market pala siya sa yung mga vintage clothing. At alam niyo ba yung mga vintage, it's more expensive guys. Grabe. Isang shirt, and used na siya ha, vintage, $60. Benta ko kaya, magbenta kaya ako dito guys. No, dito ako magbenta kasi sobrang dami ko rin mapalito. Daddy Mike is here. Well, I couldn't find anything for myself guys. Iba yung style nga. Iba yung style nila dito. But our Daddy Mike found something.
Not me either.
Me either. You didn't find anything? Celine found. Baby Chino.
Is that mine?
Show me. Show me what.
Is that mine?
Is that a shirt?
Hey, what did you see?
Oh, yeah, that's
for
nice.
me?
Justin Bieber.
I like the shirt.
Yeah? What's this other one? Nike. And how much are they? 25. This is 40. Oh my god. Look at it is hot, yes. We're back in the car, guys. We are now driving. Are you finished? We're driving to the pub. Is that a pub?
Breakfast beef. Famous pub for steak.
Yeah. It's 12:49, so we're gonna go grab something to eat. Lunch. Okay, it's too bright, guys. Oh, Brisbane, I love you. Oh, it's really warm, you know. It's good. Meanwhile, Melbourne ngayon sobrang. Anyways, alam niyo ba guys, may nag-comment sa inyo na siguro yung mga viewers natin, they love Melbourne better than Brisbane because na-notice nila yung difference ng views natin. I know it naman guys, yung views natin when we were in Melbourne sobrang taas kumpara sa views natin nang nag-move na tayo dito sa Brisbane. But I don't think it's because, you know, it's Melbourne or because it's Brisbane. You know, things has changed. Maybe meron na yung iba, wala na silang time na manood, or yung iba may mga pinapanood ng ibang mga vlogs, so hindi na nila napapanood yung vlogs natin, you know, like there's different reasons why. But for me, it's not making me feel upset na ganun na maliit na lang yung views natin ngayon kumpara sa before, because I don't know, it's probably because I just love vlogging, like I just love what I'm doing. So even though mahirap siya guys, it's very time consuming, still gusto ko talaga siyang gawin guys. So, alam niyo naman, minsan ito hectic, but dinadala ko talaga yung phone, yung camera para makapag-vlog tayo. And I don't think, even though kung wala mang manonood, I don't think I'm going to quit vlogging. Because I think it's just my passion, you know? Like, I seriously enjoy doing it. So even if konti na lang kayo manonood, yung nasabi nila, as long as merong isa na naniniwala sa'yo, keep going. And it's hindi lang isa yung naniniwala sa akin. Andyan kayo, mga nanonood ngayon, thank you for watching, always supporting our channel, and hindi nyo kami iniiwan. We ended up here sa restaurant na malapit sa work ni Daddy Mike guys, because yung parking doon sa pinuntahan namin first is they're hopeless guys. This place is hopeless with parking. So we're gonna look for something. Ang ating baby sa lane ay Sleeping Beauty na dyan. We shall eat later. What are you thinking, Daddy? Calamari? So we'll just get the kids calamari and chips. One from home. And drink something. Is there a drink here? Just grab Coke.
Guys, I don't know. The chicken burger is gonna have salad. It's gonna have salads and stuff on it.
We'll just have a calamari. Yeah? So back to chicken natin guys. Nakatulog chicken kanina. Doon sa about nga sa vlogging. And alam niyo ba, yun ang sabi ko, diba, yung views natin bumaba, and hindi siya nakaka-upset sa akin. If there's anything, nakakapag-motivate siya sa akin na, you know, to do better and do more vlogging para, you know, maging consistent tayo sa vlogging natin. Ha? 23. Kasi, you know, I know consistency is the key. Nung lumipat kasi kami dito from Melbourne guys, medyo may mga time na 1 week or 2 weeks hindi ako nakapag-vlog, and I understand kasi I also, you know, follow people, right? And minsan kapag walang consistency, nawawala yung parang anong tawag mo dun guys? Routine, ganun. So that's why even though, you know, busy ang life as a mom of 2, and I try very hard na regular yung mag-upload natin. And you know what, as mentioned, right? Gusto ko talaga siyang gawin. Kasi if you also vlog, you know how awkward it is, like vlogging in public. Ngayon, tingnan nyo, may camera ko sa harapan ko. Andito kami sa isang restaurant. And like, people are looking at me. Tinitingnan nila akong sabi, bakit nila-chika-chika sa camera? Oh, di ba? But I still do it. I still, you know, take my camera out and I still vlog because gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung mga ganap. Diba? But, sanay-sanay din yan, guys. Nasasanay na rin ako minsan na tinititigan ako ng tao kasi I've got camera on my face. Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ha? Chicken. Calamari. Yay! Finally guys, after a million years, lumabas din yung pagkain. Gising na ang ating baby Celine. Pinadedi ko na yan guys. I think she's still sleeping. Tingnan nyo? Oo. Yung pa. Kain muna tayo guys. Yeah.
Guys, you know what?
Yeah?
The lemon is not sour.
Yeah. Saling mo sa lemon siya.
Okay, sorry.
Naubuan ba sa naog lemon? Ang daming pwedeng kainin lemon ang kain. Prawn?
Oh, you.
Yummy. Calamari too? Ano ba?
Paris, a proper bite. Come on. Okay. Tell me what you think. Good?
It's good, guys, and it tastes like calamari.
Does.
Yeah.
They look just the same.
Paris, eat the food, yeah, not the lemon. Please.
Oh! Uy! Ikaw ba? This time. Lala. You? Oh no! Unfortunate soul! In pain! Uy! Ini! Tapos na kaming kumain guys, kaya lang andun si daddy kinakausap siya ng yung people next table. Wow! Oh yeah, nearly! Lucky! Come on, jump! Jump now! Wow! Go on Ate's back! Oh, be, makadaog ba, be? Naman kayo makaigit ka ron.
Whoa. Why can't you put her on? Put her on. Our hands.
Move here.
Our hands. Our
Don't play now. Okay. Straight. Okay, come down. Whoa. Let go for legs. Let go for legs. Ice cream time. Ang lala, tinan niya si Baby Celine. After nito guys, so uwi na rin kami. Kailangan pa namin pumunta ng grocery store pala. Paris, what flavor are you getting?
Nutella.
Really? I want Nutella too. Hala, yung donut stay lang. Oh, our favorite donut lang.
But you can go grab one.
I'll go grab one, okay? Can you tell Daddy I'll share with you? Can I share with you instead?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Look at these two. Yummy ice cream.
Guys, you know what flavor mine is? Nutella.
Nutella. What flavor is yours, Sadie? What is it? Apple. Tingnan ko ang makanak. Ito guys, nakabili na rin ako ng donuts. And look, open up. Open up.
I see which one you get. That.
Ooh, it's four for $20 guys.
I want
Ay.
carrot one.
Matawat po ng manghod.
Me too.
Uy, manang, bulingit. Enough. Okay, you have your ice cream na.
Mama.
Let's go. Come on, follow Daddy. Come on. Come on. What's this? Well done, this one.
Nice.
What's this?
Yep. Nice.
Nice. What is this?
Teeth.
Teeth. Well done. What is this?
Hair.
Hair. What is this?
Head.
Head. Yeah! Good job. Well done. What is this?
Baby.
What is this?
Titilla.
Hands.
Head.
That's right. What is this?
A toe.
Toe. What is this?
Toe.
This one.
Toe. Mimi.
Mini. What is this? This one.
A baby.
Oh, baby. Like this one. What do you call this? Tummy.
Tummy.
That's right. What's this?
Eye.
This one.
Oh, the eye.
That's ears. Ears. What is this?
Color.
This one.
Dummy.
This one. What is this one? What is this one? Guys, tignan nyo. Pinaliguan ko na, guys. So, very fresh na siya. Ready for bed. What's this? This one. What's this one? What's this? What's that? This one. What's this?
Teeth.
Nice. Lips. Can you say lips? Can you say lips? What's this? What is that?
I have a potion I can turn you to a person. Thanks.
Tongue.
I want to
Can you say tongue?
when you're better, we can.
Uy! Naon sa baliya mong mermaid. Kiss si mami. Chu 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 chu. Kiss mama.